This video is to show you how if a client is on waiting on quote stage. So if this client is waiting on quote and then this client decides to take the quote, I just use my name as a test example. You open the contact and now this client, we quoted them for 2,000 Rand. They initially spent 1,000 Rand for whatever, but now they've also taken the quote amount to 2,000 Rand. What you've got to do is you've got to delete this quote amount of 2,000 Rand, and the invoice amount is 1,000 plus the 2,000 that they now took is 3,000. So the total value that this client spent is now 3,000 Rand. You change this under additional information and make sure that the quote amount is zero. This amount has to be empty or zero, and you click on save. And once you do that, you can close this contact, and then you've got to click and drag this contact to warm leads. And then you can see the value then changes then to 3,000 Rand on warm leads. So if it's waiting on quote, the first step is to go to additional information, delete the quote amount, update the invoice amount, and click and drag the contact into warm leads. That's the way to do that. If you do not delete the quote amount, this contact will not stay in warm leads. So make sure it's very important that the quote amount is deleted. Thanks.